Quick video on how I'm going to do laundry detergent that's going to last me for a whole year. Now, you can use the Zote soap, grated, or you can use the one that's already grated. This is 14.1 ounces. You use 2 of them. And the box is 17.6 ounces. So I'm going to use the both boxes. And it's going to be... This lineup here cost me, let's round it off to about $22. And you're gonna make this, and it's going to last for a whole year. All you need is 2 tablespoons per load. What you also need is a big container, preferably a 5-gallon. But I have a 3-gallon here and I have 2 containers and a plastic bag. I'm going to dump all these powders into this bag, tie the end and toss it around so it mixes well before you put it in your 5-gallon container, because it's easier to toss around in a plastic bag than to stir in a bucket. It's trust me, it's easier. And I'll show you how. So I'm going to start with using a bag. That way when I put it in the bag, I can toss it around and move it around for stirring purposes. So we're going to start by putting in the Zote. Mind you guys, you can use 2 of these bars grated, but I have the grated one already, so I'm using 2 boxes. Okay? We're going to put the box of borax in. Sometimes if you have pets, you may want to do it outside because you don't want this pouring on the floor or such. And then, like I said, it's easier to then we're gonna put the baking soda. Let's open this up a little wider so we can get it pouring faster. The whole box we're going to use. We're going to use 2 of these Purex. You guys see what it's starting to look like? Okay. Who doesn't want to save money, right? These stuff you can get all at Walmart. They're all in the same area, basically. And now we're going to put this one in. It's the super washing soda. I'll open it up. It's faster. And last but not least, we're going to use these crystals. And it's Purex. My flavor brand scent is Tahitian Breeze. And that's going to give it a nice scent. You can use 2 of them. I choose to use 1 because the Purex already has a scent to it. And now I'm going to toss this around and then I'll put it in the container. I'll show you in my next step. This is 3 gallons in here, and this is another 2. Well, almost, but you would need a 5-gallon bucket to mix this, okay? And I'm going to keep these soaps for another time. I'll grate those so I can have a pink version of it. The pink gives it a nice color, but yeah. See, it's all mixed up. I got this scoop from some other box, and what you're gonna use is basically half of this. This is 5 tablespoons in this cup. So half of this is all you need for your laundry. That's it. I hope you try it.